It is not easy to be a real estate agent, but it is easy to care, to share, and to help. Let me give you 8 tips to become a caring, a sharing, and a helpful real estate agent and get you on the road to success. Hi, my name is Connie Goh, VP, Express Realty. Number 1, learn the art of communication. Good communication is very important in your real estate business. People buy from people they like and people they trust. Number 2, form partnerships. To be successful in your real estate business, you cannot do it alone. You need to network with people in other home-based industries, for example, bankers, home inspectors, contractors, lawyers, accountants, etc., etc. Number 3, get a mentor. A good mentor will help you avoid mistakes, save you time, and shorten your learning curve, and keep you accountable. Remember, their experience is invaluable. Number 4, have an online presence. Today, if you're not online, you are not in the position to compete. More and more people are searching online. Number 5, build your knowledge. Stay up to date with the best practices and the latest trends. Attend trainings. Having a good knowledge and skills will enhance your level of professionalism and help you successfully market yourself. Number 6, maintain relationships. It is important to stay in touch. Just a simple hello to your friends and your past clients to let them know and remind them that you care. Number 7, create a budget. Remember, you're now working for yourself. It is critical to create a budget to cover your business expenses. Set your income goals. They should cover your personal living expenses in addition to business costs, plus a cushion for any growth or emergencies. Number 8, have a healthy mindset. When it comes to real estate, having an abundant mindset is very important for you to become successful and to be happy. Join me next time for more tips to become a successful and happy real estate agent.